What's the meaning of compose? Compose. Compose.
Compose. Compose. The term compose has several meanings, but it generally refers to the act of creating something by putting different elements together. In the context of writing or music, to compose means to create a piece by arranging words or musical notes in a deliberate and meaningful way. With regards to photography or art, it means to arrange visual elements in a way that creates a cohesive and appealing image. Overall, to compose is to use one's creativity and skill to bring disparate elements together into a unified whole that conveys a specific meaning or emotion.